If you didn't know, 22Q is different for like every single kid, so like that's why it's so rare. Cause like one kid, they could have problems with their talking, another could have a problem with something else. But my brother, he has problem with his talking because of 22Q, and he has many surgeries and stuff.
So sometimes we can erupt like a volcano too if we have all these different feelings. So I want you guys to think about, is there anything that you do that makes you feel better when you have all these feelings?
I put all of these into one because sometimes my feelings are always mashed together. Look. Then it has a base to keep these inside.
It's gonna erupt the little pom-poms. Whoa, look at that.
Look at it.
How cool is that? That our brothers and sisters don't think about what other people think about maybe. That's pretty cool. I feel like all of us in this room could use that as a reminder sometimes, right? To be like, don't worry about what other people think.
Here's another great thing about Sibshop is that you can express yourself in any way and you don't have to worry about anybody judging you by what you say, so it's pretty much just free here.
Okay, do you have any more?
Here's iPhone!